friends, in this video I am going to show you that how to use a PYROID3 to convert a unit. So my unit is, in this video lesson, height into feet. Okay, in this program I am going to convert height into feet into inches. So in the first line I am going to take the input. Height into feet. In the next line you need height into inches. Okay, and it has the data type integer. Now again you need to write here the variable height into feet, and this is the formula for the height into inches. You know very well that 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. That's why I typed here 12. Now simple, you have to take a value by using the print command. What is your targeted value? Height into inches, because it's a unit converter method. I'm applying here height into inches. Now let's see that what is the result. Now see that what is the execution of this program. By tap this yellow button, see what is the execution of this program, height into feet. So you need to put the input. For example, I'm typing here 5. See, the result is 60. Again I'm going to show you. If you are giving the value 8, so you got 96. So it means you are converting here height feet into height in inches. Now our next program is calculating age by giving the input birth year. In this program you have to consider it that how to calculate the age by giving birth year. In the first line of this program, the birth year is the variable and you are taking here the input birth year. So definitely in execution you will type your birth year. For example, if you born in 1980, so you will type 1980. Otherwise, whatever your birth year, you will need to type that after execution. In the next line, in age variable, you have to mention here 2022. Why I'm going going to highlight it. 2022 is the current year. So you need to consider it. You have to type here current year. And now you will minus or subtract your birth year so that you can calculate your age. So the last line you are going to print the age. So let's see that what is the execution of this program. For example, you born in 1980. Okay. So what will be the result? 42. So it means that your age is 42. For example, if you born in 2000, so let's see that what is the result. 2000, for example, it's your birth year, so definitely you will get 22. So our result is 100% accurate. So it means that this is a very simple that how to calculate the birth year and calculating the age by doing this simple program in PYROID3. So I hope so, students, that you will have a good understanding. In this, we have calculated two things. One is the unit converter method, and second is the calculating age by putting the birth year. So kindly like and subscribe my channel in order to watch more video lessons that are so much informative for you. Thank you.